How about this? NFT vows. There's 2022 for you. By the power vested in me by Ethereum.
Nice.
Futuristic vows. I guess COVID kind of contributed to this in the sense that you can't have the big wedding. So you try to find another way to make it serious or different. I think it was an image, an NFT image, and embedded in it the vows as well as the ring itself. The couple got married on the blockchain, probably becoming the first in India to do so. In November 2021, Narisi Param and Nair had an online wedding ceremony officiated by a digital priest. Shruti and I made our marriage blockchain official with an Ethereum smart contract that consecrated our commitment to each other in the form of an NFT minted on OpenSea. If that doesn't smell like romance, I don't know what does.
So can you buy this? Can you buy their vows?
That's right, Will.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's 1 of 1.
The going rate on that. Yeah, whenever they get divorced, then it goes up for
I see.
It's up for grabs. You can
Interesting.
No, I'm kidding. Well,
I think this whole news is interesting.
Yeah, so
married on the blockchain?
Well, it's like this whole idea of decentralized contracts.
Yeah.
That like no government is involved. Really, this is a way for you to embed a commitment without involving a government. I'm assuming they're going to go get a marriage license as well, so. Probably. Yeah. But it's a way to make headlines also, and people are continuing to find ways to engage with crypto or Web3, whatever buzz you prefer. But that's an NFT wedding ring. I know for a while Will do wants an NFT, like a Louis Vuitton bag or something. That always gets it always gets you really fired up. The idea of like an authentic purse that's verified.
Yeah, but I don't want it. I like the idea of it.
Don't lie.
Do you think something like this is gonna catch on?
NFT vows?
Yeah. Or is this just like a one-off?
No, I mean, I think it could catch on with weddings. People do crazy stuff.
Yeah, you're right.
Like when the planner comes in and like, and here is what everyone's doing these days. It's like, wait, a photographer's not good enough? They're like, no. Nee. Real valuable images are NFTs. And then all of a sudden you start having the crypto talk, and then they're like, you know what else you should do? The ring.
Yeah, there you go.
That's 1 of 1 right there. We got to make that unique, and they love that stuff.